Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a Volkswagen Passat key. This key started to be used on models from 2005 and it goes on up until 2014, some models even 2015. It's a relatively simple procedure. You just have to press the button on the side here, which will release the key, the emergency blade. Take that one out, and then the case literally slides on the left. Just need to push the top of the key until it, like that, until it clicks. So it goes on to the left and then it pushes out. And with the help of a small screwdriver, we just have to click the case open. You put it, I usually put it in the corners of the case, not to damage anything. Okay. And it opens up and the battery is inside here. Okay. Again, with a small screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, just push the battery up and it slides out. Okay, you can put a brand new battery. In my case, I have a CR2032. Always make sure you put the positive side of the battery facing up. Okay. When you click the case back together, please make sure that you align everything as it was before, and then it just clicks back into place, like so. Okay, we put the top. So it was towards the left, now we push it towards the right and lock it in place until it clicks. Then we have the emergency blade which goes in its place. That's it. Your key is ready to go. So today I've showed you how to change the battery on a Volkswagen Passat key from 2005 up until 2014-15. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please comment below. Have a good day. Bye bye.